looking at here is the Capitola building. Okay. Over here in downtown Havana. That building there with all the decorations on it is supposed to be some kind of great piece of work of art. And I forget what they call it. Oh, there we go. Nice 57 Pontiac there. Makes me kind of jealous. Havana bus tours. Red buses are all over the place. Anyway, looks like I've got a car show going here. Woo! Buick Special. Nice. I don't know what this is. Oh, I see what it is. It's a Ford. Hola. Oh, yeah, I have one. I have Trace. Clásicos. Mi casa. So it's for carros. Yeah. So beautiful. Bellissima. Little interaction with the local there. He corrected me on how to say the United States. Anyway, yeah, check this out. Hola. Hola. Look at these cars. 58 Ford. Look at that Cadillac back there. No, gracias. Try for you? No. No, gracias. All right. Cadillac here, traveling in style. Hola. No, gracias. All right, you're not gonna believe this. Car show here in Cuba. That's right. It's a show. It's a show and shine car show here. I'm over here at Revolutionary Square. Got some classic cars that I'm sure everybody would just love to see. Restored to original condition. Nice. They got quite a combination of hubcaps on these cars. Buick Special, 57 Chevy. All of them seem to be 4-doors. Another nice 57 Buick Special. '57 Ford. What these cars are is this is like a taxi area, and you can rent these cars, well, hire them for taxis. 4-door diesel. All right, there you go. 1957 Pontiac Chieftain, just like mine.
Mira, ¿quién vino a hablar del grupo? Mira.
Bonneville. Holy cow. Kills me. Oh, no gracias. Oh, there you have it, folks. Show and shine live here in Cuba. Well, here we are at the train station. And what they do here is they decorate the park with these trains, these old trains. Some public housing up here. Nice little taxi. Anyway, yeah, I think that these are some nice little decorations. The hell is that thing? Too much.